Windows 10 End of Support, EOS October 14, 2025. Welcome to this presentation on the end of support for Windows 10. Microsoft has officially announced that support for Windows 10 will end on 14 October 2025. Let's understand what this means for users and what actions you should take. Overview. Windows 10, launched in 2015, has been one of Microsoft's most successful operating systems. However, after nearly a decade, Microsoft is ending support on 14 October 2025. After this date, users will no longer receive security patches, updates, or technical assistance. This change encourages users to move to newer, more secure platforms. What end of support means? End of support means that your Windows 10 system will no longer receive updates, including critical security fixes. This increases the risk of malware, viruses, and cyber attacks. You'll also stop receiving new features and may find limited support from third-party apps or devices. Essentially, your PC becomes outdated and vulnerable. Affected versions. All editions of Windows 10 are affected by this change: Home, Pro, Enterprise, and Education. Regardless of which version you are using, Microsoft will discontinue updates and support after October 14, 2025. Recommended actions. To stay protected, Microsoft recommends upgrading to Windows 11. First, check if your PC meets the system requirements for Windows 11. If compatible, plan your upgrade soon and back up your important data. If your device doesn't meet the requirements, you may need to consider purchasing a new PC that supports Windows 11. Extended Security Updates, ESU. For users and organizations who need more time, Microsoft will offer a paid Extended Security Update, ESU, program. This provides essential security updates for up to 3 additional years. It's a subscription-based option designed to give you more time before migrating to Windows 11. Key takeaway. In summary, 14 October 2025 marks the end of an era for Windows 10. Continuing to use it beyond that date poses significant risks. To ensure your system remains secure and supported, plan your upgrade to Windows 11 as early as possible.